Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a professional buttonhole on a suit piece. Buttonhole is very crucial whenever a suit is being talked about or whenever a suit is placed in the market. A professional looking buttonhole makes the suit easily look attractive. A wrong buttonhole gives a wrong impression about the suit detailing and finishing. So let's see how we'll make a standard buttonhole on this suit with this sewing machine. Let's get started. With using the right thread, which is very important, you place the fabric of the suit directly under the presser foot. Then you gently use your hand to guide the fabric, along the presser foot to give it that nice buttonhole shape of the suit. If you have ever seen this buttonhole of a suit, you will know how the curve is. It has a circular curve in front, that gives space for the shrunk thread. So just see how this one looks. Very decent. So to make professional buttonhole on a suit is what this video is all about. So please hit the subscribe button if you love what you have just seen. You can see how fine it is. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so I'll keep notifying whenever I upload new videos like this. Having decent buttonhole like this make your suit look more cashy, make your suit look professional. You can see how fine and fantastic it is. With my hand I guided this suit to give it this professional looking buttonhole.
Please do like and subscribe to my channel.
I would want to punch the hole open with my puncher. That hole is very important that it's being punched because it creates room for the shrunk thread on the button region to rest upon that to prevent squeezing of the other piece of the suit, the right piece of the suit, to prevent it squeezing or not looking nice. So when you punch, you have a hole like this. Then having this hole like this, the next thing to do is to cut open. When you cut open, it gives you that space for the button to pass through. Whenever you are cutting open, ensure that you don't cut the hole in excess. You know the wideness or the circumference of the button you are using. How wide the button you are using is very crucial whenever you're making your buttonhole, so that you can have a standard buttonhole that will fit the button. So after doing this, I will use the button to test to see if it will really pass nicely, because it shouldn't be too tight and it shouldn't be too free. It will just be enough for the button to pass through. You can see the hole is an average hole. Let's see how the button will be. You can see just average, not too tight, not too free. So this is a professional looking buttonhole that suits the button that should be in this suit. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. We have videos that will make you become professional fashion designer. From beginner's tailor, you can learn many things that will make you become a professional fashion designer. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. If you have any comment, drop your comment in the comment section what video you want me to make next. Then I will swing into action to give you the right videos that will boost your fashion business. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, see you in my next video. Cheers.